So I'm Dr. Jessica Adams. I'm a research scientist at IBERS. I work within the biorefining and bioconversion group, and I specialise in seaweeds. So I first got interested in seaweeds as my first postdoc position after I finished my PhD, and it was looking at making biofuels out of seaweeds. But it quickly became apparent to me that the economics of this was not going to stack up in any way. So I've since been looking at some seaweeds and what else you can get out of them, which has got a higher value. I'm also quite interested in seasonality of seaweeds. So the composition of seaweeds, like land plants, changes through the year. So looking at how these change, how this changes, and then how it affects the products that are generated from it. We've done a lot of commercial work here in this facility, actually, because a lot of companies work at bench scale. Quite often they're like spin-outs from universities or just sort of small startups. And then they're able to come here and actually work at pilot scale, which gives them evidence and or material that they can then use to move to the next level, to apply for larger quantities of funding and so on. So I think the impact that Aberystwyth, that IBERS has had on the small and niche area of seaweed biorefining in the UK has actually been quite significant. One of the sort of proudest accolades that I felt was when we had a company which came to us to do some work who'd been recommended to come to us from another company, so we hadn't even directly contacted them. And I feel that business-to-business endorsement is actually something that's very positive. The British Phycological Society annual meeting next year is going to be in Aberystwyth. So again, we're going to have seaweed people from all over the UK who are going to be coming to Aberystwyth, and that's the first time it's ever been held in Aber, which is quite amazing actually, because seeing as there's been so much historical interest in seaweeds around Aberystwyth for nearly 100 years now. So.